A function is an important concept in algebra. The basic idea of a function is that it is a rule or procedure so that when there is an input value, input number, then there is exactly one output number. Put another way, functions take one input and produce exactly one output. And just so we're clear, the inputs and outputs do not necessarily have to be in numbers. They could be letters or pictures or people or color or whatever. But we're going to go ahead and start using examples with numbers. The Guess My Rule game can be played to explore the concept of a function. What we have here is two columns. There's the if I say column, and then there's the then you say column. The if I say number is the input. Then you say number is the output. You can see how to continue to fill in the second column by following the pattern. So, what is the rule for this table? Well, there are several ways you can describe this rule. Some people might say something like, whenever the number in the first column is one bigger, then the number in the second column is one bigger. So as I go from, say, 1 to 2, I'm going from 5 to 6. As I'm going from 2 to 3, I'm going from 6 to 7. So this idea lets one fill out the table for more and more numbers, but only if the numbers in the first column are in a row without skipping any numbers. What if the number in the first column is 10 or 73 or 100? Can the number in the second column be found without going through all the steps, all the numbers up to 100? So to figure this out, a rule is needed to relate the numbers in the first column directly to the resulting number in the second column. So if you look at the numbers in the first column, notice that the number in the same row of the second column is 4 larger than it. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 4 is 8. A rule for this table could be stated in words as, whenever there is a number in the first column, the number in the second column is that number plus 4. So if I was to continue this on, 5 plus 4 is 9, 6 plus 4 is 10. In algebra, that rule can be stated more briefly using symbols. To do this, the number in the first column is represented by a variable, usually some letter of the alphabet. Any letter can be used, but we have to use N or X. Here let's use N to represent the number in the first column. Then the number in the second column next to it would be represented as N plus 4. The rule could be stated as, if the number in the first column is N, then the number in the second column is N plus 4. So, the same rule can be stated again. If I say N, then you say N plus 4. So if the first column number is 10, the second column number would be 10 plus 4, or 14. If I say 73, then you say 73 plus 4, or 77. If the input is 100, then the output would be 100 plus 4, or 104.